What's up, YouTube? It's your man OG Kicks back again with another video, man. Back again with more heat for y'all. But before we get into these kicks, surprise unboxing. Like once again, don't check my tracking, so really don't know what's going on. But PlayStation 5, man. Oh, also those 11s. Shock drop. Comment down below if you had them in your cart, man. But got bumped out of Nike. That was a sweet shock drop, man. I missed it. Matter of fact, actually, my last video that had just happened. I was still processing it when I recorded that last video. And also, man, comment if you hit the P5. I'm saying, man, got them carts. Man, I'm not cooking. I'm not eating. I don't know what everybody else doing, but. See what we got here that you see before me. Air Jordan 5 Retro SE. This is a grade school pair, size 7. Who can guess what? Before I open it, what's the box? What Jordans come in this box? For all my OG sneakerheads. Got your standard black wax paper, trash can paper. Yeah, some other fresh pair of new shoes. Somebody fresh pair of shoes, man. Come with a Jordan sticker in there. How good as you get. Authentic, baby. Authenticity. And working with heat, guys. Working with heat. So here today we have the Air Jordan 5 What The. This is your yellow one. Multicolored. Start at the bottom. Start at the bottom and get there. Got that nice green. Got translucent, like a lime green, blue Jumpman in there, translucent. Got your black lime green foot soles down there on the bottoms, man. Nope. Got your black and yellow. You got your Lakers, Bulls. You can dare to go there. You got a black lace lock on this one. We have a green one on this one. 3M tone. 3M tone there. Let's see. This is the red one. You got your symbols on there, the Japanese and the Chinese, and this and that. A little touch of Fresh Prince up in there. I don't know what this one's from. Like I said, nice orange tongue of the Air Jordan flipped upside down. Got a white Jumpman in there. Look at that light right. Clean. Now, the material is different. This is a nubuckish type, nice suede-ish feel. And this is more tumbled, more rough. Both black laces. Green lace lock on this one. Black lace lock on there with the Jumpman on the inside. Orange stitch Jumpman. Uh-oh. Quality control. Quality control. This Jumpman right here, lime green. Might take these right back to Nike. I don't know what I'm gonna do with these. There you go, though. There you go. There you have it, man. Air Jordan 5. What the what? Yeah, it went hard with the two-tone, with the two different shoes, man. I must say. blue in there, man. Got that translucent. Hey, I love that. I love that color. I love that yellowish color right there. It's dark, kind of like a Timberland, not too bright yellow. These are all lit. All lit. Yeah, and there you have it, man. You know, tell me what y'all think about the Air Jordan 5 What This? You know, did you cop? Did you drop? You gonna flip or skip? You gonna cop or drop, or you gonna flip or skip? Let's see, man. All right. Cop or drop, skip or flip. You already know this is a flip for me. I don't know nobody with no size 7. But I had to bring out that heat, man. Like I said, house of heat. More heat coming. Like your heels 3 times. Like your age, not your shoe size. See y'all on the next one.